Hello everyone, welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Machenike K500-B61 mini mechanical keyboard. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Double-shot PBT keycaps. The K500-B61 comes with durable double-shot PBT caps. These not only offer a premium feel, but also feature printed secondary functions, ensuring long-lasting and easy-to-read legends. Wired connectivity. This keyboard guarantees seamless integration with a simple plug-and-play setup. No additional drivers are required, making it incredibly convenient for gamers and professionals alike. Hot-Swappable keys. A standout feature is its full-key Hot-Swappable PCB, allowing users to swap out any 3-pin key switches effortlessly. This means you can fully customize the typing or gaming experience to match your preferences. Dynamic RGB backlighting. The K500-B61 offers a dynamic RGB backlit system. You have access to the entire color spectrum and various lighting effects. With driver support, users can personalize the lighting for a uniquely customized look. 100% anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. Featuring 100% anti-ghosting keys and N-key rollover, the keyboard ensures every keystroke is registered accurately, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Compact 60% design. Its compact form factor saves desk space while providing a streamlined setup. This is ideal for gamers needing extra mouse movement room or minimalists who appreciate a tidy desk. Pros. Highly durable keycaps. The double-shot PBT material ensures longevity and a comfortable typing experience. Customizability. Hot-swappable switches make it easy to tweak the feel and sound of the keyboard. Vibrant RGB lighting. The RGB backlighting is visually stunning and adds a personal flair to your setup. Compact design, its 60% form factor is perfect for small desks or those wanting a portable keyboard option. Plug-and-play convenience, wired connectivity eliminates the hassle of connectivity issues and ensures low-latency performance. Seamless gaming performance with anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. Every key press is precise and reliable, a must-have for competitive gaming. Cons. No wireless option. The lack of a wireless mode may be a deal-breaker for users who prefer cable-free setups. Limited keycap replacement options. While the PBT keycaps are high quality, their unique sizing may make finding replacements a challenge. Driver dependency for advanced customization. To unlock its full RGB customization potential, users must install and learn the accompanying driver software. The Machenike K500-B61 mini mechanical keyboard is an exceptional choice for gamers and professionals seeking a compact yet feature-packed keyboard. Its combination of hot-swappable switches, durable keycaps, and dynamic RGB lighting makes it stand out in the crowded market of mini mechanical keyboards. While its wired-only nature and lack of dedicated arrow keys may not suit everyone, the K500-B61 delivers excellent value and performance for its price. If you're looking to upgrade your setup with a reliable and customizable 60% keyboard, the K500-B61 is worth considering. Check out the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more tech reviews,